For Hydrostation Twin installation are needed 2 hydrostation pumps, 1 manifolds kit available as optional. After pump unboxing, check the product for damage and report it if necessary. Pull out the manifold kit and check the product for damage and report it if necessary. Check that the manifold kit has all accessories below. Glands kit with Torx key included. User manual. Suction manifold supporter. Cable. Tools needed for Hydrostation Twin installation. Cross screwdriver Phillips type. Big slotted screwdriver. Small slotted screwdriver around 1.5 mm. Teflon or similar. 1 1/4 inch joint valve. Remove Hydrostation's fittings, unscrewing the screws by Torx key. Keep the O-rings that are needed for manifolds installation. Place the O-rings and provide for manifolds installations and tightness. Place the supporter on the suction manifold housing and push it down until touching the ground. Remove the terminal cover of both pumps. Remove the side plugs and change them with available glands in the kit. Pass the cable through the glands. Connect the cable on B/A/O/V contacts, paying attention to keep the same polarity on both units. Once done, replace the terminal cover and tighten screws. It's suggested to install Hydrostation Twin in under positive suction head conditions only. It's suggested to install a joint valve that allows disconnection of the pumps in case of maintenance. Place the valve on manifold's best convenient side and connect the pipes. Close the free manifolds side with available plugs on the kit. Installation completed. It's possible to go ahead with the setup. In order to go ahead with the pump's setup, first of all, unscrew the pump's top plugs and fill with water until overflowing. Once done, rescrew the plugs. Plug it into the mains, both pumps. The first setup pump will automatically become the master. Simultaneously press arrow keys to access the menu hidden, scroll with arrow keys until CTR parameter, press center key to access setting mode. By arrow keys, select the desired control mode. 1. ASS Duty Assist Mode, alternating restart and 2 pumps working in case of higher demand. 2. STB Duty Standby Mode, alternating restart, 1 pump per time working only. Press center key to confirm. Simultaneously press arrow keys to escape. Open a tab. If the tabs are placed on several levels, start with opening the highest placed tab. Start the pump and hold the restart key for up to 5 minutes. Check that water without residual air flows from the opened tap. This will confirm that the pump is fully primed and that the system has completely vented. Once checked, release the restart key and close the tap. The Hydrostation pump will reach the default pressure, 3.5 bar, and will stop. If the default working pressure value is not compliant to the system's requirement, scroll with the arrow keys until the word bar is lit. Press the central key, bar will start blinking. With the arrow keys, set desired working pressure, values between 2 and 5.5 bar. Once done, confirm by pressing central key. If Hydrostation is equipped with Bluetooth module, it will be possible to connect the pump to a mobile device through our app in order to set and control it on remote. Download Hydrostation Ibarra app, start the app and launch the pump searching. Once the pump is detected, click to connect it. The communication light blue LED will light. From now on, it will be possible to set and control the pump through your mobile device.